Once you finish stitching your design, it's important to tighten your fabric again. While you were embroidering, the fabric might have loosened up a bit, and this step is super important because once you seal the back, you won't be able to tighten it anymore. So gently adjust the hoop and ensure the fabric is nice and firm. Now here's a quick tip. Push the inner hoop slightly upward from the bottom, just a tiny bit. This gives your hoop a lovely 3D, slightly bulged look, which looks amazing if you are planning to frame or gift it. It adds a sweet little charm to the final piece. Next, let's wrap up the embroidery. Take a pair of scissors and trim the excess fabric, leaving about an inch around the hoop. You can do this step either before or after you finish stitching, whichever you prefer. Now thread your needle with any extra floss. Make sure it's a long piece, long enough to go around the hoop. Now just insert your needle into the fabric, bring it up a little further along and repeat up and down like a wave. So this is called the running stitch. You will see alternating stitched and unstitched parts along the edges. So you're just going to repeat this process. Bring your needle up and bring it down into the fabric and do the alternating stitches. So we'll be continuing doing the alternate stitches, that's the running stitch, till you reach the end, wherever you have started your first stitch. So once you go all the way around, now gently pull the thread. You will see the fabric gather and close up neatly. So satisfying, right? Finally, tie a secure knot. So just insert your needle. You'll have a loop and insert your needle into the loop and pull your floss. It's secured now. Now trim the extra thread. That's it. You're done. Your hoop is beautifully finished. Happy stitching!